What up, family? Here we are. I don't even know what week this is. I'm assuming it's week 4. But today we got a busy day over here at the Serenity Collection property. It's the first of the few. Yep, that's it. Yeah, I see it right there. I get it. That works. But yeah, we got a lot of action going on today. We have countertops being installed. We have our bathroom shower glass doors being installed. We have some of our bathroom fixtures finished being installed and our wallpaper. So look, grinding it out. But we will take a sneak peek of the updates and see what they look like. Walking to the front door. Of course, moving room, still no progress. We got all the stuff still there. But this side, still no progress. They're gonna jump on this wall panel, the wallpaper. Shortly, we waiting on another roll to be delivered. Here, we have our wallpaper up. We got our wall panels that's gonna be installed. Should be installed today. Our wallpaper. Our shower glass door going up right now. The wallpaper behind the vanities is going to go up. We had to make some adjustments. One of the electricians had cut our sheetrock, so that got to be prepared. So our countertops got installed today. So here we are, nice countertops. We got it. Look at that, the gold sink. Man, I love it. Everything's coming together. We have our bar, coffee bar, wallpaper up. Shower glass door in, wallpaper's up. Smart toilets together. Wallpaper's up in this bedroom. Yeah, it doesn't look like a construction house. Much more, this is a laundry room. Have our sink in. Everything's nice here. Got our backsplash up. Oh, perfect. Perfect. And here, we don't have anything up yet. But here, we have our wallpaper up. So once they finish, we gotta clean everything up, put our rugs down, get it ready. Now this bathroom here is done. Yep, we have our vanities installed, our wallpaper up, smart toilets in. Just gonna put up a shower curtain here. So no glass shower, just shower curtain. For this, but our faucets are in, and man, it's nice. Nice, 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 nice. Finishing touches, finishing touches. Yeah. Let's see. So, pool. All right. It's supposed to came in, start today, but they're picking up material today. Our tile, special order tile. We have like the mosaic glass tiles going in. Before we was able to actually resurface the pool, we had to get our leaks, had to find the leaks, which we found one in the main drain and also on this vacuum outlet right here. So we had to have Red Rhino to come out, find the leaks, fix them. So we're all good now. We're also doing a new light here, a new LED light, or changing light. It's gonna be LED light. But yeah, man, this is the progress for our Serenity Collection Airbnb. I know our investors are extremely happy with the progress of things, and so happy of the way things are going that we are now looking or about to be under contract with another Lakeland house. So I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, this is the progress, man. This is another Airbnb loading and I'm excited to get this one live and active. Now, we're probably gonna do some type of special launch, of course, to get feedback before we go 100% live, but I'm just excited about the experience that the guest is gonna have here with all the creative touches that has been blessed, that has been imparted on this house. But it's a lot of thought, a lot of collective minds coming together, just making sure that there's a great experience, that a guest will have a great experience here. And so, yeah, man, yeah, that's it. Take a good look. I think the next walkthrough we'll do is going to be more of a finished walkthrough once all the furniture and stuff, because we have furniture being delivered tomorrow. So our furniture will be delivered tomorrow. But yeah, next walkthrough you'll see we'll have our fireplace in, TVs up, wall panels. This whole room is going to be wall panels, so we'll be more of it to our finishing stage. And yeah, so that's what we got. But here we are. We're only about 3.5 weeks in. 3.5 weeks in, but this, again, ready. They're going to wrap this whole kitchen area in wallpaper. The whole kitchen area. So, yeah. Here we are, man, the day in the life. If you ready for these types of investments, short-term rental investments, listen, I'm not gonna recommend you do it on your own. I'm gonna recommend you make sure you hire a team that can actually come out and help you execute some things that you want to do, but do it the right way. It's not just about finding Airbnbs and doing Airbnbs. It's about finding ones that work, right, where the numbers actually work. This one was acquired through a DSCR loan. Right, a DSCR loan, meaning it doesn't matter how much you make as an individual, as long as you have the assets, meaning the down payment to put down on a home. We run financial analysis on the property itself, and we see how much the property will produce in the short-term rental market. And once those numbers come back, as long as the DSCR report comes back in the positive cash flow, then you can get approved for the home, as long as you can show the assets for the down payment. And this is what, just one of the tools, one of the financial tools. If you don't have all the cash, if you can't do it the conventional way, right, the DSCR way, and then also acquiring the properties in the LLC, right? Those are the right investment options. So it's not always about what you make, how much money you make. So if you're out there thinking that you can't afford to do something like this, right, there's many ways that you can make this happen for yourself. Just all about reaching out, getting the right mentor, jumping on maybe one of our Airbnb masterminds, or joining on as a mentee, right? Joining on as a mentee. But here I'm Emmett Combs, my Airbnb super host, Airbnb specialist, real estate broker. If you're looking to expand your portfolio or start a portfolio, make sure you reach out to us. I'd love the opportunity to talk to you and earn your business. 786-277-1190, and we are